This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering proof and opening WhatsApp settings to confirm the blocked number and device. Make sure you record exact error text and take clear screenshots. That helps identify whether it's an automated spam block or a policy violation. Once done, draft a concise appeal message. State your name, phone number with country code, and a short explanation of legitimate use. Explain why messages were sent and attach timestamps. This preparation speeds review and avoids delays caused by missing details. Now you submit the appeal through the correct channel. Use in-app help first because it attaches logs automatically. If that fails, send an email to the official support address with the same content. In your message, be precise. Include the phone number with +, device model, Android or iOS version, times of messages, and attach screenshots. Explain the why, legitimate business or personal use, and request a review. This gives reviewers the context they need to reverse an erroneous block. To finish, monitor your email and in-app messages for 24 to 72 hours and respond promptly if WhatsApp requests more info. If you receive no resolution, try practical troubleshooting. Reinstall the app, restore a verified backup, and test sending a single message on a different network or device to rule out carrier or device-level flags. If issues persist, repeat the appeal including results of your tests. One key tip: switching to a new network and device often shows whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.